Hi, in this next episode, we're going to talk about the Chage command. This command is used to modify password properties for Linux users. Think about a company and their specific compliance when it comes to things like passwords. Some companies might require you to change your password every 90 days. Some companies might have a minimum number of days that you need to use a password before you can change it. Some companies may have certain warning period before a password is going to expire. Some people set expiry dates on accounts and passwords. All of this password aging or property information is managed through the chage command. So you can list the current password aging information with chage-l, and with specific switches like -m for maximum days between password changes, lowercase m for minimum number of days between password changes, warning period with the -w, the inactivity period with a -i, the expiry date with a -E, you can actually effectively change password properties for a specific user in order to meet compliance or really support users and their ability to access a Linux system with their password. You can interactively change all of the properties, as this is an interactive command when not used with specific switches or options. You can just run the command and all the information will be requested from you, and you can set password properties using chage. So in this next lab, we're going to go through how to use the chage command in order to modify and understand password aging with Linux. Please stay tuned. In this episode, we're going to talk about the chage command. The chage command modifies password properties for a user. Let's explore. I'm going to open up the activities, open up the terminal, and show you how it works. First, I'm going to read through the man pages. So chage is the command. And you can see you are able to use this command to change the user password expiry information. So by default, any user password has certain properties, including the number of days since Jan 1st, 1970, when the password was last changed. All right, so this simply means the last time the password was changed. The expiry date simply means how many days the password is able to be, or the account is able to be used. Whether the number of days of inactivity before the password, after the password is expired, before the account is locked, to show a full list of all the details, the minimum days before the password should be changed, the maximum days during which the password is valid, and the days of warning before the password change is required. So all of these things really mark password properties. It allows you to dictate password compliance on a server. So you can actually run, I'm going to run it with sudo chage, and I'll run it with -l for some user. All right, and you should be able to then see those password properties. When the password expires, when how long until the password is inactive will the account expire, the minimum and the maximum days before the password change, the days of warning before the password expires. So you can potentially change all of this information with the necessary switches for a user account. You would simply type, I'll type again, sudo chage, and let's say we want to change the warning days. I'll say -w10 for this account. And now, if you watch here, chage -l should show chage, that's my mistake. You can see that the warning days have been changed from 7 all the way to 10. So you can update specific password properties for an account in order to meet compliance with, whatever company or however that works. To be able to, again, set every one of these interactively, you can just simply run the command chage followed by the username, and it will tell you to enter all the values for those properties. So the minimum password age, you can enter the default value of 0, or you can say, hey, I want someone to at least use their password for 7 days before they choose to change it, or they are allowed to change it. So you can set these properties accordingly, maximum password age, again, accordingly to whatever it is. I can say you should change it after 90 days, and last password change. This is in those specific situations where user password expires, based on the maximum age or something else, and you are simply moving forward that last password change date so that they have some more room for that max password age to mature and forcing the user to change their password. So we're going to leave this here for now. Password expiry is 10, and we'll just leave it at 10. And password inactive, it's disabled. That's denoted by this -1, and we'll just press enter again. And again, the password account expiry, you can set a specific date or disable that function as well. So now I've changed a few of these values for this user. Now watch here, chage -L for this user. You can see that now the password will expire at 90 days. And you can see the minimum and the maximum days before the password change is required. So this is how you can adjust the password aging information for users with Chage. I hope you've learned something, and thank you for watching this episode. I'll see you in the next one.